You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is a very confusing one, possibly one of the most mispronounced ones in English. Yes, it is a bit confusing because of the spelling and the relative pronunciation. Echelon is how it's pronounced, and because it comes from French, the CH is pronounced sh, like other French words like chic, for example. So it's not echelon or echelon, echelon. The stress is on the first syllable, echelon, echelon. It's easy once you know echelon, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.